another show. I'm gonna look into XRP going off from last week. I'm glad that you're here at the moment because I've seen some movements on XRP this week that I could see literally we could be heading to the upside at some point. But I'm on the 4 hour right now, and I've just drawn in a circle here, highlighted a circle from the past few hours. We had a spike on this level. Yeah, so from that level, we can see this potentially wants to break up over the 50 EMA here. This line here is the 200 EMA. So if we get a clear break of the 50 and the 200, then potentially we'd be going up. But if you look down here to this level here, we could see where it last spiked up, and it's holding. It's holding right now. And if you look at where it's holding around the 20 cents mark here. So potentially this is an area of interest. This is an area of interest, and it'll be a good level to buy around this level if you want to jump in now. However, it has been consolidating. The consolidating, you could see up and down, up and down, up and down. There's nothing really happening. It's just consolidating in one area just now. But yeah, the best option, you could buy from here, or if you don't want to buy from here in a consolidation, you could wait for the breakout. So if I just draw in where potentially it could break out from here, wait for the retest on the 4 hour to then buy up here. However, if we get a trace down again, then we could see it potentially coming here, maybe not breaking out and going up, or if it breaks this level, it could come to this level around here, which is the 20-cent mark, or even further down to 14 cents, which is around this level here. Then potentially it could come up from here. However, if that doesn't happen, if we zoom out, we could break this level here, retest it as resistance, and come straight down here. But yeah, it's been stagnant at the moment. It's been quite stagnant, but these are the levels, if I zoom back out, that I'm looking for it to hit. So I come out to the daily. I've drawn in a diagonal line going up here and a diagonal line coming down. You can see a different level here where it's clearly it's in a range right now. So you could see the previous daily candle here is quite strong here on a bullish, kind of like it wants to explode up. It's called like a bullish candle. So yeah, we're just waiting for a break, and this is all about being patient in the market. As a trader, you got to be patient and you got to wait sometimes, but waiting definitely does pay. In my experience, I've waited and it's definitely paid me. But I've actually put in the levels where it could potentially go. We got 14 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. If it breaks this area, we could head up to the 50 cent. If it breaks to $1, if it goes from 50 cents, it could actually break $1 and go up further. If we zoom back out, we last saw it actually reach the $2 mark, and that's quite possible. Once we get a breakout, a clear breakout, to break this first high, to create a next high, we could go to $2 quite easily this year. That could happen. And from $2, we could actually test this level here and go to the $30 mark quite easy. Yeah, I could definitely see that potentially happening. But at the moment, XRP is waiting on news, as you could see. But if I go to some reading here about XRP, just to keep abreast of what's going on with the cryptocurrency, it says on CoinDesk Asia's retail FOMO could be behind XRP's rally despite SEC's lawsuit. As I said here, this was a rally when it broke this first high. It didn't make it, but it rallied here and then came back down. XRP double-digit gains could be the result of a bold bet by retail investors, especially those in Asia, that the cryptocurrency price could follow the broader crypto bull run. The latest rally surprised many because it is happening not long after XRP crashed on the news. The US Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming companies sold the token as a security. That said, it seems as if some market participants are undeterred by the regulator's action. Traders often trade products on a relative value basis. Chris Thomas, head of digital assets at Swiss Quote Bank, told CoinDesk on the 7th of Jan, XRP felt cheap a few days ago. Today it feels normal again, in my opinion. So these are all talks like this literally cause these kind of movements to happen, to be stagnant and to consolidate. But when we get some more good news, then obviously, you could see this thing moving. But if we go back to the reading, so I've read this part here. It says that if we continue, that said, it seems as if market participants are undeterred by the regulators' action. So as we could see, going back to the market, it's been undeterred. If it was an issue with the news, then obviously that would have broke down a long time ago. That's what I could clearly see. Traders often trade products on relative value basis. Chris Thomas, head of digital assets at Swiss Quote Bank, told CoinDesk, today it feels normal. So yeah, as I read that before, if we go down here, it says Simon Chen, a crypto trader based in Hong Kong, told CoinDesk he bought XRP when the price went to nearly its bottom point at the end of December, with the belief that it would rebound soon following Bitcoin's trend. Chen said that when Bitcoin and other alternative cryptocurrency altcoins, which is XRP, is an altcoin, were going up, XRP's price went to the opposite way because of the SEC news. That movement to him meant a great opportunity to buy the dip. And that's why we say as traders, we always buy on the dip. So when price was up here, I did not buy because I wanted to see this thing make a lower high, which the lower high I knew would be around this level. And yeah, it made a lower high. So even though we got bad news, obviously it done exactly what I thought it would do. So it did not surprise me that it came to this level, and it does not surprise me that it's holding this level right now. If we come here and read again, it was great news, and so he bought the dip. And yes, I bought the dip around this level before, and literally I'm just holding it as we speak. So yeah, that's the real way. CoinDesk Research collected XRP trading volume data since December the 1st, 2020 from 6 exchanges that saw noticeable activity and broke down the data by quote currency. Significant volumes came from XRP USD pairings, yet volumes on XRP Bitcoin and XRP Ether pairings were relatively small. Yeah, so yeah, there's good news. There's good news in what I see here on that news. So literally it's just a waiting game. But if we go back to the chart here, you could clearly see, if I zoom in, that we're consolidating now. So it's just a waiting game. I believe that price will slowly climb up here and break this triangle. And when that happens, I will see Bitcoin continue to fall. If we go to the Bitcoin page, I'll show you. Here we go, that's Bitcoin. Remember last week, I told you that Bitcoin could possibly fall. We could see a weakening right now of Bitcoin, in my opinion. Literally, it's staggering right now because we want to try and go back up, but there's a little consolidation happening right now. But potentially, I could see Bitcoin going to the $20,000 mark here. Again, I've got my 50 EMA. If it breaks this level, it's definitely clearly going down. So we need that break here. Retest of this area here to go straight down. And once I see a retest on this level, then obviously this is a good level to buy in. So just touching in a bit about Bitcoin. So when I see Bitcoin going down, then XRP, altcoins altogether should go up. And looking at that, I always compare, I look at the USD currency, the DXY. And this week DXY, just to give you a little tip, when DXY, when the US dollar is weak, usually the cryptocurrencies go up. We could see that we had a clear break of the DXY currency. On the daily, you could see it clearly break the trend line going up. If we go on a 4 hour, we could see that it tried to climb up. We could see this big test, daily test, 4 hourly test, sorry, candle, and it went straight back down. So yeah, DXY is relatively weak at the moment, and once we see that fall even more, then we're going to see a lot of strength behind the altcoins. And yeah, you guys are probably wondering how you could get into the market to buy and make, you know, you could actually make an income from this. I actually joined a company called Cubitech. If I go to the next page, you could definitely make true massive passive income with Cubitech. I will like literally go into this on the next clip. Here we go. Yes, Cubitech. Here's the website that you can join if you want to make passive income. Making real passive income, bull market or not. Yeah, this site literally does it. Cubitech is a big company, literally doing big things. They started last year, June. The main mission of Cubitech is to provide its users with effective ways to receive royalty payments from the use of quantum technologies. The main goal of Cubitech is to reach platform's capitalization value of 10 billion USDT and grow, which is the US dollar, and grow its users base to more than 10 million users by 2025. Now we're in 2021 right now, and when I was talking about, you know, Bitcoin going up and all the altcoins going up, literally this is crypto season. This is about to begin. So yeah, if you don't want to miss out, then join now. Definitely join now. I'm going to put a link underneath this video after from this guy who talks about making real passive income. He's literally doing really well at the moment, and when I saw this, I was really motivated to join. I've got a friend of mine who literally was telling me about this guy, and he joined last year and he's doing really well. So literally I'm following the same footsteps and literally making interest every single month. Yeah, from when I started last year. This, yeah, it was around November time I started. So we could go into the back office here, and this is my back office. And literally you could start on as little as 100 US dollar. You could go up to 500, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000 USD, 50,000, 100,000. So if you was to invest, for example, 100, each month you'll get 25 USD in your account. So literally they're paying you back your money. Within 4 months, you would have made $100. But to be honest, I want to go in big and hard. I would literally go in at 1,000. Me personally, that's what I did. And upon that, yeah, you're going to get a monthly payment of 250 round about a month. at the end of the 4 months, you will get your you will get 2,500 at the end of the 4 months. So yeah, this is when I started. Where is it? Here, as you could see here, I've got 11 licenses what I bought. So what I'm actually doing, every time I get up to $100 in here, I reinvest and I buy another $100. But when I started off with 1,000 and another 1,000, and then each time I make money from the licenses, which is down here, I'll show you. These are all the licenses that I've bought and I've made money on it. I've received USD money. These are the current results. Yeah, it's just booming. Yeah, every week, every month, I'm getting my money back bit by bit. But what I'm doing, I'm not withdrawing it. I'm literally reinvesting and putting it back into the system. So what I want to do at the end, not just get my money back, but I want to continue doing this so I literally generate even more money. And this is, every time you generate money, it mounts up into this wallet here. And then if you want to reinvest, then my advice would be, if you want to start, small, then 1,000 will be beneficial USD. Each time you get 100, you reinvest it and you keep on buying loads of bronze like this. So I bought quite a few bronze. So each time, that's my latest one, which is currently ready to make more money. These are the other bronze. Literally, you could see how much I've received there. You could see the current result. It's all pluses, all pluses. It's just go, go, go. So whether bull market, bear market, you're constantly making passive income. There's a daily report, gives you daily reports as well. You can see all of that. Yeah, it even tells you your history, deposits, when you joined. It gives you a lot of information, a lot of good information. This is, yeah, they're doing big things. At the moment, I'm just buying digital licenses, and that's what's literally making money at the moment. You could go into corporate license, where once you become big shot, then literally you could get into all of these, buying cars, getting holidays, and getting massive discounts of it. As you could see, you could get massive discounts off it. You get cash back. There's a lot of information on here to take in, but I would start with digital license. If you want a passive income, then that's the way to do it. There's also a network as well. If you want to build your own network, which is here, you could get people involved. You'll get a commission towards it as well. Yeah, which I haven't started that yet, but I'm just interested in making passive income from the licenses, which they call digital license. So if you want to know how to put money into this, you have to have like a crypto exchange like Wirex. I've got a link beneath this video. If you want to get a Wirex account, you could transfer the money from the Wirex account into this account here. I'll give instructions of how you can literally do that below this video, but it's quite straightforward. And then if you want to add a wallet, you could add a wallet literally if you want to literally withdraw your money out. So yeah, it goes without saying, Cubitech is an investment platform with the support of AI robots, which they use, which will be able to provide the maximum benefits of your investment with the support of professional developers, also in the world of crypto analysis. Then with Cubitech, your investment will be successful and develop perfectly. This goes without saying though, the crypto space is risky and you should do your homework before investing. This is not financial advice that I'm giving you. These are my own opinions and experiences and not a definite instruction. So if you're looking at what you should do next with your crypto, check out the links below, subscribe, and then yeah, you'll see, you would literally see. Literally, if you're not in it, you can't be in it to win it. That's what I say. So you could start off small if you want, but you're going to be getting minimum of $25 if you start off with 100 every single month. But me, to be honest, I would prefer this one, 250. Yeah, I like to go in hard and strong. other people that I've known, they might have put 10,000. But for me, I'd rather start off on something that I can't afford to lose, that I could afford to lose. So yeah, that goes without saying. Never put in your mortgage money or anything that you can't afford to lose. Always put in something relatively at a low, not too low, but something that you could build on and literally double, triple your money. And that's a smart way to do it. At the moment, I've got 34.51 USD. Probably most likely by next week, and I constantly see this, it'll probably go to $100, and all I do is reinvest it. So after the 4 month period, even so, probably during this year, I'll probably be making a lot more. And literally, you could, this could be a side income, and you could literally develop this into a full income. I'll definitely put links below. But yeah, I'll put a link of this guy that is literally doing really well at the moment, and he goes into it detailed, very detailed. And if you want to know more about it, then literally definitely watch this video. But yeah, it goes without saying, there's many ways you could literally jump into this crypto and make money. You could either trade it yourself, or if you're not that keen to trade yourself and learn, put your money into something like this, Cubitech, and literally see the money rolling in. But yeah, so yeah, I'll talk about this more as time goes along, but I just give you a snippet. You can look into it with the links that I'll put below and decide for yourself whether you want to jump into this crypto and start making money like me. So yeah, literally I'll just go down one more time and I'll show you something here. Yeah, I've got 11 licenses at the moment. I've got a total value of 2,900 USD. And these are all my licenses at the moment. You get daily reports. So yeah, it goes without saying, this is really good and I'm really happy about this. Yeah, so I'll just leave it from here. And yeah, so comment, please subscribe. Any questions, just let me know. All right, so you take care, have a good day, see you soon.